Good morning to the criminal community all over the world. And wherever you are, whatever your time zone, good afternoon, good evening to everyone listening to me right now. This is another wonderful week. Guys, before I go further, don't forget today is Monday. It's one of the days that we gather together globally to have our mass adoption training with our able admin. So don't forget, come on board by 4 p.m. West African time. We'll be having another time with our admin, anchored by our able Ambassador Bederick, and co-chair with Mr. Daryl Kasha. So guys, come on board. Now, don't forget that TBC community is a community of love and respect. Community where destinies are being raised and where we show a kind of special love for one another, that God-given love. And this also again has been exemplified by our able admin. There was a blog over the weekend. Yeah, it was such a mind-blowing news on the blog. Guys, if you can see my screen very well, get 1,000 TBC in July 2022. In the quest to end the division fast so that we can enter our full economic phase, the admin in his benevolence has come up with this great opportunity for everyone, for as many who are yearning, complaining, I would like acquire much TBC before January 12th, when the kickoff will be given to all TBC members. So guys, this is a great opportunity, and to this we say thank you, admin, for this wonderful opportunity you have given to the community again. So guys, please and please, I beg every one of us, I urge you, if you are yet to get active, come on board. Especially be part of the core team. If you come into the core team, join the backup team. Very, very essential teams to be within the criminal community. Do it within your best. What is the criteria? Regular payment of your program fee. And you can also pay an annual fee. Simple, and you'll be rest assured that for the next 12 calendar months, you are settled. Guys, we are in distribution period, don't forget. Don't trade this time for anything else. Do all within your best to join us. Do all within your best to pay your program fee regularly. And if you can pay annual, fine, go ahead and do that. Keep acquiring these coins. Very, very soon. Very, very soon. The distribution will be over and there will be no coins to give out. Then that is when people who are delaying now, who are procrastinating now, will know the importance. By then, they will have to come and get kringles from you and I. So guys, get active and come on board. If you look at the poster, it's a wonderful poster by the admin. It said Christmas in July. Can you imagine that? Christmas in July. This is a rare opportunity and a rare privilege for all TBCians. I beseech you, I urge you, please key into this. It's a gift. It's a gift. So you can either take it, accept it, or reject it. So, but I beg you, I urge you, please accept this gift. It's a wonderful gift. All you need to do is just to get active. With simple payment of your program fee, just monthly program fee, the value of 8 grains, you are qualified. This promo comes up in July. Get active right now, and then July again, pay your program fee. Guys, this is a mind-blowing opportunity. The poster does everyone that pays the billionaire program fee in kill-off during the month of July 2022 will get 1,000 TBC as a gift from admin. Guys, this is a wonderful gift, a rare gift. Yes, you can check it up. Indeed, is a wonderful gift, a rare gift from the admin. Christmas in July. Can you imagine that? So that's story that we are a community of love. Thank God for all the goodness that has been happening in various countries. So key into this. Christmas in July. Will you accept it? I beg you, I urge you, don't lose it. Accept this gift. It's a rare gift. 1,000 TBC, that is equivalent to 1,000 kilo. Can you imagine? 1,000 kilo. Wow, guys, this is wonderful. Like I always say, TBC, this is the greatest wealth distribution in the whole of the world, in the whole universe. So keen to this. Don't be left out. Guys, if you are here to get active and come on board. For all your friends, every acquaintance that you know, get them on board. And let us keen to this and let us end the discussion fast and what? Start the full economic phase where we enjoy the riches in our wallets. Thank you guys. Don't forget by 4 p.m. West African time today, let's meet for the mass adoption training by our able admin. Thank you. Love you. And don't forget, if you are here to join the community, there's a link below this video. Click on that link and join the community. There is also a link to a Telegram group below it. Join it for good interaction, and at the same time, click on that bell by your right hand side so that you always get a first-hand notification whenever I post any further updates. And don't also forget, give this broadcast a thumb up. Thank you very much. I love you all. See you. Bye for now.